Welcome back, fellow hackers and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Python scripting. Python, often hailed as the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, is a versatile tool that can be used for everything from simple scripting to complex web development and scientific computing. But before we jump into coding, let's make sure we have the right tools for the job. One of the easiest ways to get started with Python, especially on a Windows PC, is by using Anaconda. Anaconda is a powerful Python distribution that comes bundled with a whole suite of useful packages and tools, making it perfect for scientific computing and data analysis. Let me tell you why Anaconda is a game changer for scientists across all branches of science. Anaconda provides an extensive suite of tools and libraries tailored specifically for data analysis, visualization, and scientific computing. Whether you're a biologist analyzing genetic sequences, an astrophysicist studying celestial phenomena, or a geologist examining rock formations, Anaconda empowers you to efficiently analyze and chart data within your domain. With Anaconda, you have access to a vast ecosystem of libraries, including NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib, to name just a few. These libraries provide the building blocks for scientific computing, allowing you to perform complex calculations, manipulate data, and create stunning visualizations with ease. So, whether you're exploring the mysteries of the universe or unraveling the complexities of the natural world, Anaconda is your trusted companion, helping you unlock new insights and push the boundaries of scientific discovery. Now, let's dive deeper into Anaconda Navigator and discover how you can harness its power to accelerate your scientific research. With Anaconda installed, let's take a look at some of the built-in Python interpreters it provides. First up, we have Spyder, an integrated development environment or IDE that offers a familiar interface for writing and running Python code. As you can see, Spyder provides a comfortable environment for writing and testing Python code. But what if you prefer a more interactive approach? That's where Junyper Notebooks come in. Junyper Notebooks allow you to write and execute Python code in a web-based environment, making it easy to create and share interactive documents. Now, let's talk about Junyper Notebooks, a powerful tool that revolutionizes the way scientists harness the powers of machine learning and data analysis. Junyper Notebooks provide a web-based interface that allows you to seamlessly combine code, visualizations, and explanatory text in a single interactive document. With Junyper Notebooks, you can conduct complex data analysis and explore machine learning algorithms with ease. The notebook interface allows you to write and execute code in small, manageable chunks called cells, making it easy to iterate and experiment with different approaches. But wait, there's more! Before we head over to Kali Linux, let's take a quick detour to explore another powerful Python development environment, PyCharm Community Edition. While Anaconda comes bundled with PyCharm Professional, we'll be using the free Community Edition for our Python adventures. With PyCharm Community Edition installed, let's fire it up and run our trusty Python script. Just like Spyder and Junyper Notebooks, PyCharm provides a comfortable environment for writing, debugging, and running Python code. And there you have it! Python is thriving in PyCharm Community Edition, adding another powerful tool to our arsenal of coding environments. But before we dive into the depths of Kali Linux, let's pause for a moment and reflect on the tools we've explored today. Spyder, Junyper Notebooks, and PyCharm Community Edition are just the beginning of our Python journey. In future tutorials, we'll revisit these powerful development environments and uncover even more of their capabilities. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed or intimidated by the vastness of Python, fear not. We'll be here every step of the way, guiding you through the intricacies of coding and unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Now, let's continue our adventure and switch gears to Kali Linux, where the real hacking magic happens. Stay tuned, fellow hackers, as we venture deeper into the realm of Python and cybersecurity. Did you know? You can run Python code directly in your Windows command prompt. That's right, simply type Python and hit enter to launch the Python interpreter right from your command line interface. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to test out snippets of code or run simple Python scripts without the need for additional software. Plus, it's a handy tool to have at your disposal, especially when you're on the go or need quick access to Python functionality. Now that we've covered launching Python interpreters, let's dive right in and start running some Python code. With PyCharm under our belt, let's head back to Kali Linux, the hacker's playground, and continue our Python journey. Even though Kali is known for its cybersecurity tools, it's also a great platform for Python development. Whether you're coding on Windows, Linux, or anywhere in between, Python is ready to take you on an adventure through the cosmos of programming. Here in Kali Linux, we'll use the trusty shell terminal to run Python code. Don't worry if you're new to the command line, Python works just as well here as it does in a fancy IDE. And there you have it. Python is up and running on both Windows and Kali Linux, ready for us to explore the depths of coding. This is Johnny Demonic signing out. Remember, my fellow code-slinging cybermancers, your support means the world to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.